What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys seen us pick up that 2021 yesterday, man. I think it was freaking nice, except for the part where dude dropped our bike and all that and broke our freaking piece and all the extra little stuff, man. But without further ado, it's a whole new day here, whole new bit of energy I got going on here, so I can't wait to get this day started, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, because you could be anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, man. So I appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you an Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. You could be you next winning a Harley for $100, man. So go enter for that thing right now. Meanwhile, man, we got to head up to Harley, get a couple parts. I think the last little parts for this Road King is there. And then we're gonna go check up on our 2021, see what's up with that. All right, y'all know we just pulled up to Harley, man, trying to figure out which exhaust we gonna go on our 2021. So let's check out what they got for us back here. Let's see. That's John's bike. That thing is nice. Damn, this Rudy bike?
It's about to be.
Damn, okay.
You can buy it on Friday.
Woohoo! Yeah. For sure that one. For sure that one. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I definitely want that one right there. You got that one?
No.
No?
That's like a 4-month wait.
Oh, 4 months? Then why you show me that shit, man? I thought you had it right now.
Well, we usually order a bunch of them, and there's some on order already.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see what that order sheet looking like, man, when they supposed to come in. Where we at? Oh, we in the back getting cleaned up, look like. Hey, y'all know we love seeing the bikes here, man. Here we go. Oh yeah, they got it cleaned up, looking good. They did their joint. Got the spark plugs back there. Good to go. What's up, man? Here. Let's hear it, y'all. Let's see. Okay, so we don't got no more ticking up here now. We good to go. Let's see if we got some little power now. Pipes is still kind of quiet, but you know we're gonna have to switch that up, man. So I'm digging it. I am digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. So we came up here to check on our other parts for our Road King. We're still missing one little trim piece, but we did check on our 2021, man, and this thing is finished up. They got everything on here checked out. Just waiting for these chrome lowers to get up in there, and we'll be able to put that thing on. They got us right, man. I appreciate that. Pretty dope, though. We about to get this thing loaded up, get it back to the crib, and see what we can get done, man. I mean, it's not much to do, but we're gonna see what we can get done. Alrighty, guys, we done got this thing loaded up. Harley took care of us, got us cleaned up even better. They actually got like the sticker stuff off the front of the fairing. If you can step up here real quick. Got that thing looking good. So now I guess we can head to the house and start seeing what else we may need. I mean, it's pretty much a done data, as in 2021 and done, but we're gonna see, man. And I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing looks so good. Like, that chrome is just hidden. My goodness. Let's get this thing off here. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, made it back to the house. There's nothing to really do until we get our forks and stuff situated. Get this thing going. I need some loud pipes like ASAP. This ain't gonna cut it. Ain't gonna cut it. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I've been out here staring at this bike, listening to music, vibing out for like an hour. I want to ride this joint so bad, like so bad. I even took it around the whole complex a couple times, but don't want to take it on the street until we get them forks all tidied up. But feel like I want to go hop on that brown thing, man. Feel like I want to go hop on that. It's still early, not too hot out, so kind of want to get it in early before it do get hot, man. So I'm gonna probably pull this one in, pull that one out, and then we'll go slide for a little bit of something. Alrighty, guys, it's bright and early. I ain't rode this thing in a minute. It's been a little while. but I'm ready to slide it. Let's see if we can get some juice. I know it's gonna be loud, but oh well. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. This brown thing looks so good. Sounds amazing. I actually think I want to get these same pipes on my bike now. That pipe sound good. But I'm gonna probably get the stainless steel one for the 2021. But furthermore, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for this 2020, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You see the wallet is like this color blue. Really nice color. So yeah, head over there right now and go get your entry, man. Alrighty, man, we have finally made it back. That was a freaking different route that I took before. Whole bunch of turns, man, so I was just vibing out to the music. That's why I cut it off and pretty much sped up the video for you guys. Pretty much enjoyed the ride. You guys seen it a bunch of times. I know it's gonna be windy, so that's why I did what I did. But all around cool little 13-mile trail. Pretty cool. Needed that this morning, man. It's freaking hot already, dog. So about to put this one up and see what we can get done on that one, I guess. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. We pretty much picked up our red 2021 from Harley, man. We got everything situated on there. It's running right, it's running good. Now all we need is for our front lowers to come in. That way we can take that thing for a spin and pretty much finish up that bike. Now I do want some chrome wheels for that to tie that front end together. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with that one. As for the 2020 Road Glide, man, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for that thing, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. In the meantime, it's time to gather up these little parts, man. There's not much to do on it. Need some exhaust, some lowers, and some wheels, and a color match, and we'll be good to go, man. So I guess we'll probably tackle that in the next video, man. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.